wire was just sitting here connected with no thermostat. All right, so the wires actually go on the red and white. I looked at it at the furnace level and it works now. So I have it set at 76, so anytime it goes below 76, it kicks on and then kicks off once it reaches 76. So everything's correctly set up. For the bottom, we know it's working. So as we know here, one over here is the one for downstairs. As you can hear and see, it's working fine. In fact, I can take this off just to show you. Everything works, as you can see, and it runs according to the thermostat instead of just non-stop like it was. So there you go. Now